Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cloudmaster. So today we are going to see how we can see what are the vulnerabilities we have in our Azure estate, Azure environment. If there's any recommendation related to cost, reliability, operational excellence, or performance. So how can we check this and we can keep them under control? So we will see there is a one-stop shop. We can just go there and check all these uh, issues, security issues and cost issues at one place only. We do not need to change our screen every time. So I'll try to keep this video very short and simple, so it will be easy for you to understand, to grasp the things what I'm saying. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so as you can see, I have logged into my Azure portal, and you can go to this page. There are multiple ways to get this page. Either you can search over here in this search box, or on your left hand side you see these three lines. Just click on it, go to all resources, and uh, click on advisor. So if I just type here advisor, you will see it will come up. Just click it, and this is the first page which we get when we go to advisor. This is the overview page. This is advisor score based on the current vulnerabilities you have and the current security controls you have implemented in your Azure environment. This is the advisor score which you have been given. So 82 is not that bad, but not very good also. It should be, I mean, in most of the organizations, what they prefer to keep it somewhere around 97, 98%. When there are many organizations I have worked with, they are not satisfied even at 97, 98. They want it above 99, 99 or above 99. 1% would be there. There are some scenarios which we cannot control. So 1% we can leave for that. But they are not happy until they achieve 99 at least. So 82 from that perspective is not very bad, but not good either. Okay, so if I go to overview, you will see you have recommendations related to cost, security, reliability, operational excellence, and performance. You can also download this as a CSV file or as a PDF as well. So in case, let's say, there could be a scenario wherein your customer is asking for the current state of vulnerabilities or maybe score. So you can just come here. You can download it as a CSV or PDF as per your preference. And in case if you download it as a CSV, you can apply different formulas. Maybe you can present it in a form of pie chart, maybe bars to your customer, maybe in your weekly governance meeting, weekly, monthly, whatever it is, or maybe just send it over an email. So you can do that. And right now, all these recommendations which it is showing are active recommendations. If you see here, we have selected active. And if you just click on it, drop down, you will see if you have any you have dismissed any recommendation or postponed, it will show here, which is none in our case. Let's go back to active. And in case, so this is the view it has been so far in Microsoft Azure, but now they are recommending us to try a new advisor score experience to better prioritize recommendations and measure impact. So if I just click here, it will take you to the new page. This is the new page which they have offered. Right now it is optional, but after some time it will be mandatory for everyone. This page will not appear. This is how they normally do. But right now it is optional. So let's go through them one by one. Let's click on cost. So what if I just look at this tile, you will see uh, cost. So if I implement this recommendation, if I follow this recommendation, I can save $803 USD per year, right? And what this recommendation is, and this is a very high impact recommendation. So let's see what it is. So it is saying buy virtual machine reserved instances to save money over pay-as-you-go costs. So it is asking us to reserve virtual machines instead of paying them as pay as you go. Instead of choosing this format, if we decide to reserve a virtual machine in advance, so we can save 803 US dollars for these two virtual machines. How many resources are there? These two virtual machines. And if I further click on it, it will also show us the name of those. If you see here, standard, this is the disk virtual machines in East US. If I further click on it, see here. So these are two virtual machines where this disk is being used. Standard D2S-V3 virtual machines in East US. And from here, if I want, I can either postpone it or dismiss it. So it will not appear here. So maybe based on our current organization policy, if we see this is not, we do not need this recommendation, we do not need to follow it, we can postpone or dismiss it as well, instead of implementing it. Let's go back. If I go to security, likewise, we have total 83 recommendations, 23 high impact, 22 medium impact, and 38 low impact. Let's see them. What are they? So these are 23 high impact recommendations. Install endpoint protection solution on virtual machines. FTPs should be required in web apps. Key vault secret should have an expiration date. So there are multiple, right? So there are some recommendations which have quick fix available. So like this, if I click on this, secure transfer to storage accounts should be enabled. If I just click it, you will see it is showing us the name of this storage account. And if I just click on fix, it will just implement this recommendation. But we should not always go with this, because once it is implemented, it might break the existing solution. So always make sure you understand what you are doing before you go ahead and click on fix. Total unhealthy resources are 1, healthy resources are 4, and not applicable resources, there's none. And if you look at the top, you see description. It will also show you so what exactly it means, what this recommendation is all about. It gives you a brief over here. You see here. And then followed by remediation steps. These are the steps it gives you, what you need to do in order to fix this issue. If you do not wish to click on quick fix, and if you wish to do it manually on your own, you have steps given for that as well. Let's go back. Let's see where this quick fix is not available, how to fix one of those solutions, those issues. If I come here, key vault secrets should have an expiration date. So we have unhealthy resources 1, healthy resources 0, not applicable resources 0. Description, what it is, what this issue is all about. Okay, and this is the affected resource where we need to go and implement this recommendation. So you see there is no quick fix available for this recommendation. Let's go to this VM. I'm sorry, this key vault. This is not a VM, this is the key vault. It is somehow it's not showing here. Strange. So let's see. Let's open a duplicate page. So normally when you click here, it will show the resource here, like we saw last time, but somehow it is not showing here, so no worries. So name of this VM is test KV EMS Rakesh, and this is a key vault. So let's go there, type key vault. You see key vaults here, not the backup vaults, but key vaults. Click on it. This is the resource, right? Test KV EMS Rakesh. Test KV EMS Rakesh. Yes. Click on it. And now what the recommendation is, key vault secrets should have an expiration date, right? So where are the secrets? If you go to settings, under settings, you have keys and secrets. Go to secrets. So what it is saying here is, if you see we have a secret, but there is no expiration date. So it is asking us to enable the secret, the expiration date for this secret. So let's go ahead and enable it. You can do this from here, set expiration date. And whatever date you want to choose, expiration date may be 17 March 2024. It is showing on its own. If you want, you can change it and hit save. That's it. And once that is done, it will take some time to realize you have implemented this solution, and this vulnerability will go. You will not see that anymore. So that's how you are going to work on these recommendations. So there are so many recommendations. That's how you need to work on them one by one. Like if you see key vault should have soft delete enabled. So what soft delete does is, in case if you delete this key vault, so soft delete will make sure that your key vault is can be recovered even after it has been deleted. So you can set the number of days. It's like with 30 days or 90 days. So for that particular number of days, your key vault will be in the recovery state, and you can recover it even if that has been deleted, maybe intentionally or by mistake. You will be able to recover it. So let's see where you can enable soft delete. Under settings, if I come security, properties, soft delete. Okay, so you see 90 days. It is 90 days. So even the soft delete has been enabled on this key vault, but why it is still showing, giving us the recommendation? The reason is purge protection is not enabled. If it is not enabled, purge protection, they both go hand in hand. Soft delete and purge protection. If it is not enabled, it will not, it's not able to detect whether soft delete is enabled or not. So that's why it is giving that recommendation. So once you click enable and hit save, it will take some time again to check to realize that you have implemented this recommendation. And once that is done, it will not give you that recommendation anymore. So that's how you can work on these recommendations one by one. In case if you have an issue working on any recommendation, you are not able to fix it. So just let me know in the comments below, and I will reply as soon as possible. Let's go to the reliability. There are so many recommendations, so I cannot go through each and every one. So in case if you have an issue, just let me know and I will help you. Okay, if I go to the reliability, so you see here, enable cross-region restore for the recovery service fault. Pod disruption budgets recommended. Enable virtual machine replication to protect your replication from regional outage. So from the point of view of reliability, or from point of view of high availability, you are getting all these recommendations. Enable backups on your virtual machine. So it is giving you all these recommendations. So the way to fix, way to work on these recommendations remain same. So like if I go to this recommendation, we have these two virtual machines where we need to enable backup. You see there's no quick fix available. If I click on one of these VMs, so we have come on that VM page, and over here we can enable it's showing all properties and settings, whatever you have enabled. So it's showing everything here. So from here, you can enable this recommendation. And if I go to virtual machine, this is the VM. So you can check backup here. Backup. And you can enable the backup. It's not enabled as of now, but if you enable the backup, so that recommendation will go. Operational excellence. If you see, there's 1 high, 4 medium, and 4 low recommendations. So again, the modus operandi remains same. That's how we will work on those recommendations one by one. In case, as I'm saying again, if you have any issue, you face any problem, any challenge, just let me know in the comment section and I will help you. And let's check performance. Unsupported Kubernetes version is detected. So that's how you can check all these recommendations in your environment, and you can make sure that they all are taken care of in order to improve your security score and save cost as well. And the last but not the least, if I go to alerts, so you can set up alerts as well. So if I just hit on new advisor alert rule, resource group you select here, and what is the condition you want? Category. Okay, let me select a category. I want cost. All right, alerts related to cost, all high alerts related to cost. Action group, where do you want to send that email? I want to send an email, but where? So you can create an action group. Maybe you can choose the existing one, or you can create a new as well. So you can just put your action group name, display name, notifications, action. So what action you want? I want okay, no, it's in notifications. I want notification email. Okay, just put the email, your email, your manager's email, or your service team's email. Just keep it over here and they will receive the notification email. You can set Azure mobile app notification also, maybe SMS, there will be charge associated with that, maybe voice email. So that all you can do. You're not doing it, but just wanted to show you that you have all these options available and you can do that. So that's it for today, guys. So please go through it, check this video. That's how you can take care of your Azure estate, Azure environment, and your client will not be, he'll not come and start shouting at you why they have so many, because clients are very, very, you know, specific about it. They do not want to see any recommendation. Once they see any recommendation, they go in panic mode. Why this recommendation is there? It means something. There's some problem in my Azure estate. So they just press the panic button. So just make sure you keep checking your advisor page almost every day in case there's any recommendation. So you should know in advance and just drop an email to your client or whoever is taking care of the environment to make sure that you inform them before you take any action, or just ask them that you are going to take this action, whether you need downtime. If it is required, please ask them to provide downtime, or maybe as per your company's protocol, if you need to raise up service now change or ticket. So as per your company protocol, you will take required action. So just my point is to make sure that you do not miss this page. Your client sees first, and then he comes to you asking why these recommendations are there, why are you not working? So you should be ready in advance. Instead of he comes to you, you should be ready with your solution, and you inform him that you have found these recommendations and you need time and whatever help or support you need in order to implement those recommendations. Okay, guys. So I hope you liked today's video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Please, please, please subscribe my channel. I'm really working hard to create these videos. This is 15 past 2 in the morning. I'm creating this video for you. Please like and subscribe channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive the notifications when I create and upload new videos, and share with your friends so they can also, because cloud is an emerging technology. Everybody is looking uh, so they want to learn cloud, this technology, Azure especially. It's growing like by leaps and bounds. So please share this video with your friends so they can also get benefit out of it. So thank you. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Bye.